Hi guys, Monica here with a video. I'm videoing this on my phone because I went to use my camera and the battery was dead and I don't have another battery. So hopefully I can record this. It might be a little bit shaky because I gotta use my hands and my phone and I don't have a tripod right now with the little phone thing. But anyways, hi you guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. And for those of you that have never been here before, thank you so much for joining. So yeah, this is an unboxing and let's get right into it, okay? This is what the box looks like, and as you also on the title, it's a Coach unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and try to open it. I'm gonna have to pause the video, but I just wanted to show you all that I'm actually opening it. I haven't opened it yet. So yeah, I'm actually opening the box. It's like this big flat, kind of like this. And OMG, look at the sticker. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I wish I had stickers. I wish they sent me stickers that I could keep. It's so cute. I broke him. I was trying not to, but yeah, I broke him now. This is what the packaging looks like. And there it is. They sent me thank you for shopping at Coach. Oops. Guys, that's my ceiling fan. It's really hot today and I have to have my ceiling fan on. So when I ordered this item, I did ask for it to come in a gift box, and you have to check that off if you order online. Otherwise, it will just come wrapped in tissue in a plastic bag, I think. So I have taken the box out. I just put it here on the side, and there's this envelope, which I'm sure is the receipt inside. Yeah, and a return label, just in case. But yeah, she will be in there. Let's get to opening this box. Okay, so the bow, it's like really cute, and I don't really want to undo it, but there's only one way to get into it, right? Now I haven't bought a Coach in a long time, probably since like 2016, and it's now 2020. And the box, it's got like a top lid. It's coming apart a little bit, but that's what it looks like. And there it is, and the Coach dust bag. Let me try to undo this and I'll come right. So guys, I undid the bow on top, and as you can all see, I got the Cassie, the big Cassie, not the little one, the pink color. I think it's called Aurora, and the hardware is pewter, so it's like a gunmetal. And I had my monograms, so as you all probably know, my nickname is Diva 944 because of my Porsche 944. And I love skulls, so I had it customized with the skull, and those were the colors that the skull came in. Oh look, it matches my nails. And then I had the Diva put on the bottom to kind of match the skull. So yeah, so that's what I got. This is what it looks like. There it is. That's the back of it. The side. This took about 3 weeks from the time I ordered it to the time it arrived here. And I guess, yeah, here is the crossbody strap. Let me take some of these things apart and take another look at it. Okay guys, here it is. I went ahead and I still gotta undo this plastic, but I took the crossbody strap out of the wrapping it came in, and you can all see the black hardware. It's like a ruthenium hardware. I really love the combination of this hardware with this pink color. And I want you all to know a quick story. So my boyfriend and my daughter tried to give me this bag for Mother's Day, and the bag customized, and the bag arrived. But when I opened it, and I did film an unboxing, but I never uploaded it because it was an unboxing going totally wrong. When I opened the box and I opened the bag, there was no customization on it. There was no monogramming on it. So I was very upset, and I know this sounds pathetic. It kind of ruined my Mother's Day, but I didn't let it ruin it. So I sent it back, and I had a bad experience with Coach. They said that I could send it back and they would customize it, but then when I sent it back, I finally never even got a message saying that they had received it. I had to get a hold of them on the phone. Make the long story short, they said, yeah, we have your return, but we're not going to customize it. If you want to customize it, you have to place a brand new order. By the time I tried to go place an order, I think they were out of the pink. And then at a later time, I checked a few weeks later, and they had the pink, and it was on sale. But because it was on sale, I couldn't customize the pink back for some reason. This went on for like weeks. And I kept checking, and until one day I finally gave up. Well, after I gave up for like a month, I went in to the website, and to my surprise, this bag had gone from $350 to $175, and it gave me the choice to customize it. So, because it had went from $350 to like $250 or $270. And then it went, but I couldn't customize it because they said that it was on sale, so I couldn't customize sale items. And then it went on sale even deeper to $175, and it didn't let me customize it. So finally I got it. So here it is. I'm gonna take all this stuff out. And more stuffing. And I think you all know what it looks like. I mean, this is supposed to be like a pochette métis kind of. I don't want to say dupe, but it kind of looks like the pochette métis. And a lot of people have had complaints about the pochette métis, so a lot of people went and got this bag to carry it instead. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I can't wait to use it. I love this back pocket here. That's where my cell phone is gonna go. And yeah, so I'm very excited about it, guys. So I might do another proper video once I put my items in it, hopefully with my camera when its battery is actually charged. Like I said, I've been filming this on my phone. I don't know how shaky it's gonna be, but yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.